Hey, good afternoon, YouTubers, Facebookers, party people all over the world. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair in Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And this is the Clay Way. If this video is helpful, please consider subscribing, clicking the notifications, and at the very least, just turn the volume down on your computer and let me ramble when you see what you want to see. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. Share my videos, like my videos. Send me your wonderful comments, and if you got a question, hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair, and I'll happily try to answer. What we got going on today is we are putting on a serpentine belt on a 4.2, and I just wanted to show you real quick your belt routing. You've seen the picture of that. So now we've got a little locator dowel inside there. This little tube broke off, so be careful. It's already broken anyway, so we got to replace that. And I wanted to show you where Jeff put the tool at. You can use a 3/8 ratchet for this, but Jeff is going to push down on it, turning it clockwise, and then we'll pull the belt off the top of there. Sorry, visibility is not very good. And then pull it off your alternator and we're good to go. Okay, so hopefully you guys found that useful and entertaining, at the very least, me breaking off that tube. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. Don't forget to subscribe if you like. Click the notifications. God bless and have a great day.